So good morning. For today is our midterm exam, and this is the first code, which is I use if statement. First to do is assign float, which is n1, n2, and n3. So next is assign cout. The cout is enter the three numbers. Then the next line is cin, n1, n2, and n3. So let's move to the first if, which is if n1 is equal to n2 and n1 yun. n1 is equal to n2 and n1 is equal to n3. So the cout or the largest number is n1. And next if is if n2 is equal to n1 and n2 is equal to n3. So the cout is n2 or the largest number. So the last if is n3. So close enough in parentheses. n3 is equal to n1 and n3 is equal to n2. So the cout or the largest number is n3. Then return 0. Then curly braces. So ayos lang natin. And let's try to run it. So try tayo ng numbers 18, 90, and 12. So the largest number is 90. Isa pa. 10, 60. So it is the second code, which is it's almost the same in the first code, but in this case I use conditional operators. So need to assign the int number 1, number 2, and number 3. Then the cout is first, second, and third. So let's try to run it. Enter the first number. For example, 56, 89, and 107. So the third number is 107. So isa pa. Enter the first number, 120, 29, and 1. So the first number is the largest. So that's it. And this is the number 3 program. This program will determine the student grade, and this program determine the 3 types of score, which is the quiz, midterm, and lab. So first to do is assign int, quiz, lab, and exam, and the cout entered quiz, and cin is quiz. Cout enter lab. Then cin lab. Next, cout enter exam, and cin exam. So the next line is float grade, which is quiz is, so close and open parenthesis, quiz 0.30 or feathering 0.30 plus love close and open parenthesis 0.30% and exam close and open parenthesis 0.40%. So let's move to the first if. If grade is 0 and grade is equal to 74, the cout is equal to 74. Then the cout is F. Then else if grade is 75 to 79, the cout is letter E. Then else if grade is 80 to is equal to 84, the cout is letter D. Yan. Yung C-out natin is letter D. Else if yung grade is 85 to 89, our C out is letter C. Then next is else if grade 90 to 94. Curly braces. The C out is letter B. Wait, letter B yan. Then the last if, else if grade is 95 to 100, baguhin lang natin letter B. Our C out is letter A. Then curly braces, return 0. Then let's try to run it. May mali. Yung letter A, dapat C out. Ah, 95 to 100 yung mali. Mali natin curly braces. Wait. Let's fix it. So, yun. Try ulit natin. Yun, gumana. So, enter quiz 90. For example, 89 and 82. The grade is letter C, which is 85 to 89. Last. And this is the last code. First to do is assign int day is equal to 1. Do close and open parenthesis C out day. Then switch is day. Then curly braces. So let's move to the case 1. So for this code, I use while, loop, and switch. C out that Sunday. Sa code na to, irara natin yung day sa loob ng isang linggo, which is the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Ganun lang sa mga case. Then, sa code na to gagamit tayo ng break. So, yung default natin is cout number you entered are invalid. Then, yung day plus plus is for every time it executes, it's add 1 to x. Then, yung while is day is equal to 7. So, yun nga. Meron tayong 7 days sa isang linggo. Then, return next it. So, try natin i-run. So, may mali. Fix. So, yun. Yung 4 and 5 masyado naka-adjust. Ayusin natin.